Today we are going to learn how to make corn cheese sandwich, and to make the sandwich I have taken few pieces of multigrain bread. I have taken 2 cheese slices. I have taken corn, butter and this peri peri powder, which I'll add to make to give it a nice flavor. So it will be peri peri corn cheese sandwich. So let's get started. As you can see, I added butter and now I'm stir frying the corn with it. Once the corn gets a little bit fried, I'll add the cheese slices. I'll add just 1 cheese slice. Now I'll add the cheese slice into it. Stir fry it until the cheese melts. Do it on low flame so that it doesn't stick to the surface. Cheese has already started melting. So now I'll add my next ingredient, which is powder. Make sure the cheese doesn't stick to the surface of the pan. It's almost done, so I'll shut off the flame. So now we'll do the next step. I have taken the same pan, I just washed it and I'm heating it. Don't heat it too much. Now I'll add some butter to it. I'll add the bread pieces to it. So now our cheese corn sandwiches are ready. You can see the stuffing and how cool it looks. And the best part is we made it on a tawa or saucepan. Let's enjoy our sandwiches.